Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If your Samsung monitor has no sound, even though it's connected, don't worry. Here are some quick and easy steps to fix it in just a few minutes. Step 1. Check the monitor speakers. Not all Samsung monitors come with built-in speakers. Search your monitor model online. If there are no speakers, you will need external ones or headphones. Step 2. Check the cable. Make sure you are using an HDMI cable, not VGA or DVI. Only HDMI carries sound. Unplug and reconnect it securely. Step 3. Set audio output. On your computer, right-click the sound icon, then Sound Settings. Under Output Device, choose your Samsung monitor. It may say HDMI or the monitor model. Step 4. Check monitor settings. Use the buttons on your monitor. Go to Settings. Make sure volume is up and mute is off. Step 5. Update drivers. Go to Device Manager, Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio device, then Update driver. If none of those steps work, try restarting your PC or testing another HDMI port. And if your monitor does not have speakers, connect external ones or use Bluetooth audio. Hope this helped you fix the issue. Drop a comment if it worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check our channel for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching.